today, Kikai and I made this rocket. And if you saw our video earlier today with the Diet Coke and the Mentos, part of the reason we did that was because we needed this for the nose cone of the rocket. So we did the Diet Coke fountain thing, and then we had an empty bottle of 2-liter bottle. We're gonna launch it. We're gonna launch it with this 4-inch pipe that I put a cap on. I glued a cap on. There's a hole here. That hole is for this. The lighter goes right inside. That's what we're going to use to ignite. And the fuel, hairspray. Okay. The body of the rocket was made with this stuff. This foam padding, interlocking thing. So here we go.